Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna Limited. Now the most notable features on the Limited is its parking sensors. You also have your navigation system and your DVD player. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna Limited. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this Limited is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps, and then if we take a closer look just at your front grille, you are going to see your 360-degree backup camera. You have your parking sensors, and over on the side you have your 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now, you also have your integrated signal lamps as well as your down-facing camera for your 360-degree backup camera. And if we take a look just on the inside here, you'll see your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with your blind spot monitoring indicator, it'll actually light up just alerting you that there is another vehicle right beside you. And I'm just going to show you what your second row is going to look like. So I'm just going to open up the back here. And as you can see, you have your captain seats in the second row, as well as the sunshade visors just located in your third and second row windows, where you can block out some of that sun just so you can have a nice enjoyable nap on one of the long trips. Up top here, you'll find your DVD player. So the nice thing with that is you can keep the kids entertained while you're going on those trips as well. To actually close up the power sliding rear doors, the button's just located on the inside here. Now, parents, if you're worried about your kids getting their arm or hand jammed to the door, the nice thing is it does have the jam protection. So once the door does sense there's an obstruction in the way, then it will open itself back up again. And if you want to just close it from the outside here, just pull on the handle once more and it will close automatically for you. Now, the color we're going to be taking a look at today is black. And to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now you have your brown leather interior seat surfaces with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Taking a look just over on your left-hand side, you're going to see your traction control on and off, parking sensors on and off, view for your 360-degree backup camera, heated steering wheel. On the inside of your driver's side door, you'll see your seat memory controls for your driver 1 and 2. You also have your power folding mirrors, some mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls, both your front and rear windows. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, scroll function, mode select, voice recognition, Bluetooth, scroll function for your multi-informational display, lane departure alert, and cruise control. Now you do have the push button start, so all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now I'm just going to go through a couple of the features that you'll see here on the multi-informational display. So as you can see, you have a digital speedometer with a distance to empty. But you can also scroll through and take a look at a couple of other additional features, which include your all-wheel drive control, navigation, audio, lane departure alert, messages, and then your settings menu with your ECT power, blind spot monitoring on or off, rear cross traffic alert, pre-collision system, lane departure alert, and your settings menu. Now at the very top of that screen, you'll also see an exterior temperature gauge, and if we take a look now just at the center dash as well as the touch panel display, you're going to see a couple of different options. So inside the menu screen, you'll see your destination audio phone as well as a couple of other additional features. Now when you hit the apps feature, it's all part of the new Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can actually use such apps as the Slacker app, which allows you to stream your music from your phone onto the touch panel display, or if you want, you can check local fuel prices or the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. You also have that premium JBL sound system in here as well, XM satellite radio, and down below you have your temperature control settings for your dual zone climate control with your rear temperature controls, and it's matted to an automatic transmission. Underneath you'll see your heated seat controls for your driver and passenger, along with your USB and auxiliary input and your power outlet, with an additional one just located down below. Now at the top you have that auto dimming rear view mirror with integrated garage door opener and digital compass, and at the very top here you'll see your open and close for your power sliding rear doors, power lift gate release, and then you also have your open and close and tilt up and down feature for your power moonroof. Now the other nice thing is you do have the SOS Safety Connect, so in the event that you're in a collision and you're unable to respond, emergency services will be sent out to you right away just to make sure that you're alright. Now you do have the sunglass case holder as well as an additional mirror on the inside there, just so you can keep an eye on the kids just while you're taking one of those trips with your family. Now, just to show you what your 360 camera is going to look like, I'm just going to throw this into reverse here for you. So as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines on there, making things much easier for you, and they'll also move when you turn the steering wheel as well, just to show you where you're going to end up in the long run. If you don't like this 360 view, you can actually change it to a more dynamic view or the traditional backup camera view itself. Now, when I put this into drive, and then if I hit the view button just over on your driver's side here, you'll get that nice front view of the vehicle. That way you can actually change things up a little bit here. So when you hit the auto feature, it'll allow you to keep this screen on under 10 kilometers an hour. It makes things easier when you're in a garage, or if you're in a parkade, then you can see exactly how much room there is between you and the wall. Now, if I push that view button once more, you'll get a nice aerial view of the vehicle. This one, it gives you a nicer close-up view of the vehicle just around it, just to see if there's any obstructions in the way. So if you press this once more, you're going to be able to see that nice aerial view. So if your kids like to leave their toys in the driveway, it makes things much easier for you just before you head out on your day. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate, now located on your rear bumper. You're going to see your parking sensors just located right across. On the back of the tailgate, you'll find your backup camera just on your left-hand side, and your rear hatch release located underneath your Sienna emblem. Now, for your third row, you have that 60-40 split, so in the event that you do need the additional space, all you have to do, fold down the seats, is push on the button just located on the back of the headrest, pull on this middle piece here, it'll fold itself down into the floor, and then pull this flap up, and it will remain nice and flat just for the cargo that you have in the back there. Now, if you do forget how the seats actually fold or unfold, the instructions are just located on the back of the seat, but all you have to do is just pull on this piece here first, pull on the middle piece here again, make sure it locks itself into place before you tilt it back, and tilt it back to the desired position you would like. Now, the reason why I say that is that you can actually tilt back a little bit farther, just so you're a little bit more comfortable on the drive. Now you have the power outlets in the back here as well, and then you also have some additional storage space over on your left-hand side as well. The other thing I like is that you do have the power tailgate, so all you have to do once you're all finished up is push on the button once, and will close for you automatically, making things much easier for you when you have your hands full of grocery bags or the kids' sports bags. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.